Hello, assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope you are fit and fine. Now I'm going to describe a rail station. You can see in front of me, this is called a rail station. And this station has 3 lines. 2 lines are active and 1 lines are deactive. This one is deactive. And you can see beside of the rail station a lake. And you can see over there a cow eating grass. Actually, it's a beautiful rail station, as you can see. Thank you for watching my video.